All right, welcome back. Masterclass DIY how to pour a can of beer into a glass. Okay, we're gonna try to do this. We don't want to do any free advertisements here, so we're gonna try to do this. First things first. You got your can of beer. Again, try not to do any free ads. You want to get a glass that matches your beer can, okay? So I got like a pint can. So I got a pint glass to go with that. All right, it's just common sense. So if you got a 12-ounce can, you want to find a smaller glass. What you don't want to do is pour a little bit. Let me pour half the can into the glass, and then I'll let that sit while I drink it, and then I come back. No, it's one glass, one can. Ideally, it's going to be like equal. It's going to be like, all right, perfect. It's the perfect glass. But if you can't find the perfect glass, you want to go too big rather than too small. Okay, you got to get the entire can into the glass first time. Not. You don't want to run out of room and have to do multiple pours. It's just not right. It's that simple. All right, so here we go. I got my pint glass. I got my pint can. All right, mini masterclass how to open a can. I'm not really going to do that. We're going to pop that bad boy open. Then we got our glass. We got our can. It's open. We're good to go. This is like similar to if you ever seen a bartender pour from a keg, or just a keg at a party, frankly. You want to put that glass at an angle, about 45 degrees, and then you're going to do the can at an angle. You don't want to just pour it like this, like, oh, let me pour it down like that. You get a lot of foam, you get a big head. It's terrible. And then you're waiting for the foam to go down so you can finish. No. This is one thing, okay? Hold that glass. We'll call it 45 degrees. I'm not, a mathematician, but we'll call that 45 degrees. Maybe that might be like 35. I don't know, whatever. Close enough. Then you want to get that can tight to the glass. We're trying to cut out oxygen. That's what the bartender's doing too. We want to cut out oxygen, right? We don't want any foam there. We're going to get some foam. Careful that you don't spill out there. Then you start to cut it back there, right? The glass starts to go up. So impossible to not have foam, but you're going to get a little, that's fine. And then as you're going, you're starting out strong on the pour, and you're slowing as you go. And right there, look at that. Perfect pour. Didn't have to stop. No head. We're good to go. How about that? All right. Rate, review, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.